At Conwy Employment Hub, we work together with local businesses to connect you with employment opportunities, such as those with St George's Hotel.
As a leading 4-star hotel in Llandudno, we have quality standards that employees must meet. We have an exceptionally loyal customer base, which is why you must treat all our guests as VIPs. Here at the St George's Hotel, we are proud of our location. Llandudno and North Wales is an ideal tourist destination, so it is important that you have a sense of place to offer recommendations of places to visit, sights to see and thrilling activities to experience, to ensure guests have a stay they will never forget. If you've ever thought about a career in hospitality or have experience of working in hospitality and you have a great work ethic and a can-do attitude, you could become one of our enthusiastic team members.
For job opportunities with St George's Hotel and other employers in Conwy, message us today or go to www.conwy.gov.uk/Conwy Employment Hub and fill in the form.